Yes, people, you don't know your girl Unruly Shawna there with another video. Yeah, you see then tonight made some fried fish. Yeah, some fried fish and some white rice. See, rice they already almost finished cooking now. Yeah, man. And this is a gravy pot. So I'm gonna show you finished result when we when we finish. Me know I'm to my throat. Very pretty man. Yeah, man. You don't know Jamaican cooking. Yeah. So yes guys, this is the finished product of my dinner. Action. So yes guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Guys, come on guys, help me run up my watch hours. I'm working on my watch hours. So now gonna help me out. You see me?